This looks like a good boomerang problem. Okay, why do I think that? Because I have a whole hypotenuse, I have a short side, and I have a short piece of the hypotenuse. So that's a good boomerang one. So the other kind of boomerang one that would have been good would be you have a whole hypotenuse, something to do with the long side, and the long piece of the hypotenuse. That's another boomerang setup as well. One of the things when you do boomerang though is you have to figure out, I have this side and I have this hypotenuse. So do I start here or do I start here when I go to do boomerang? Well, it turns out what you want to do is start, you have this, so I want to start over here. So when I do that, I'm going to start right there when I go to do boomerang. So that's what I'm going to do. 24. Then I'm going to run down here and get 10. Then I'm going to run back up 10. I'm going to run back over here and get B. Maybe I'll erase that and do that again a little fast, just so you can see it a little better. So I'm going to run. I'm going to run this way, down here, up here, and back. And now it turns out this is the geometric mean. So another way you could say it is the side is the geometric mean of these two pieces. So I'd say B times 24 square rooted equals 10. That'd be another way to do it. So what happens is you get this. Cross multiply here. That's 10 times 10. Now cross multiply here. That's 24b. Well, it turns out 10 times 10 is 10 squared. I know everyone knows it's 100, but I want to show you what I'm doing here. Then I'm going to divide by 24 to both parts. So 100 divided by 24 is what we need. So you get 4.16 repeating. That's the same as 4 and 1/6. Some of you are going to say 4 and 1/7. Okay, so we now know how long that is. Okay, now what would I do? Let's go look at the boomerang. And I'll use, whoops, let's go use it that way, like that. Let's go look at that. Well, how would I solve that? Well, I don't like that this square root's here, so I'm going to square it here. But whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So I get 10 squared, and I get 24. I'm going to switch the order times b, but it's the same as b times 24, because the squaring and the square rooting cancel out. Now if you look here, didn't I have that step right here? So this looks the same. So then I can go do all the same work and I'll get this answer here as well. Just it's a little less work. This starting here is a little less work. It kind of short circuits this, makes it go a little faster than that. But otherwise it's the same thing. So if you understand the geometric mean of, remember, the geometric mean of the short side is the hypotenuse times the short piece of the hypotenuse.